Hello, my viewers, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming back to watch our content. Thank you, thank you, thank you. In this video, I'll be teaching how to use TradeGPT, how to use Bybit TradeGPT to analyze cryptocurrency, to analyze and trade cryptocurrencies. How to use um, In this video, you will learn how to use TradeGPT on Bybit or Bybit TradeGPT to analyze and trade cryptocurrencies. It is a very, very powerful platform that has been there for a while now. I discovered this platform or this product of Bybit about a year ago. And, it has really been helpful to me. But take note that on a Bybit account, you can make a maximum of 20 queries. Before, it used to be only 10, but now it is now 20. So you can ask Bybit TradeGPT questions 20 times in 24 hours. Okay, so know that you are here for serious business, and then ask very, very important questions so that you can get proper guidance on what to trade. Mind you, this video is not a financial advice. It is for educational purpose only. Do your own research before you use any of my information here to do any trade. So let's talk about the features of the TradeGPT. We can see the page here. It has the new chart, the lens, the daily pulse. We check all of them out. And some of the example here we have here is some of the question prompts that have been placed there. We have what are the support and resistance levels of BTC? Is the future trend bullish or bearish? So you can ask TradeGPT that question and it will give you that information if that is what's important to you. What you can also do is to change BTC to any other crypto that you want to analyze. You can also get information on the most popular news in the crypto market over the past 24 hours. So if you want to know what is going on in the crypto market, so I will do another video using these particular prompts, the most popular news in the crypto market. So we'll talk about all of them. Yes, I'll do another video on that. The another one is provide an analysis report on SL, incorporating recent news, technical indicators, and other relevant data. So you see, you can ask these questions. You can get smart token insights like select potential coins based on technical indicators. Which coins on the platform have shown significant price changes recently? What is the future trend? Which coins are likely to rise in the next hour? Please explain the reasons. Right, so you see this is very key. We'll come back to do a video on these topics and see. This is just for introduction to the Bybit TradeGPT platform. The Bybit product update, strategies and tips for creating a great trading bot on Bybit, and how to deposit fiat currency on Bybit. Right, so we'll come back to this when we do our video, but for now, so this is it. So let's also check about, there's also the deep think feature where it will go deep into the system and then go and get information that you're looking for. AI generated, please use for reference only. Take note of that. Okay, then you have the lens. So let's see what is in around the lens, because the next time I'll be doing a video here, I won't be touching any of these features. I'll go straight to those questions that are right there. So this is what the lens does. It picks AI picks for you assessment, AI assessment 9.2, and it gives all the information, the community, and it gives you the recommendation. So it is saying that that it is safe to buy, it is safe to pick the okay, so it's picked only one, and it is the Solana. So it says, Solana is safe to right. So Yeah, so that is that. So let's go to Daily Pulse and see what Daily Pulse says. So Daily Pulse says that yes, the daily Bybit Daily Pulse, Bitcoin faces macro headwinds as ETF outflows and strong US jobs data pressure price. Wow. It's a whale signals bullish 59%, bearish 41%. For MNT, bullish 71%, bearish 29%. And for Solana, bullish 62%, bearish is 38%. So Bybit, Alpha, and all of that, you will see a whole lot of okay, so all these are trending topics in the crypto space. Right, so okay, so this is basically what the TradeGPT is about. You can come around, play around it, ask questions, and make your trading better and safer. Thank you, as I'll be right back to talk about some of these points that are already highlighted here. Thank you very much.